Humor warning ahead. So, a man walks into a pharmacy and asks the assistant for something to cure his hiccups. Without missing a beat, she reaches out and smack! Slaps him right across the face. The guy is stunned and goes, "What did you do that for?" And the assistant, cool as a cucumber, says, "Well, you don't have the hiccups anymore, do you?" The man rubs his cheek and says, "Nope, but my wife does and she's outside in the car." Cue the facepalm moment, right? So next time when you hear the word hiccups, maybe wait to know who is it. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more hilarious hiccup cures. See you next time.